requirement, but still I am
It
trying.
doesn't matter, Jalpa.
I'm just
Whatever you teach to your children is good after all.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And the second thing, what you have suggested, I have taken that slok only, Shanti mantra, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. So I will try at my level best. I don't know whether I will fulfill all your requirement or all your queries. I don't know, but I will try. Okay. Uh, so shall we start? Yeah, that's okay. Meera is coming. Bhuma, Fia is Bhuma.
Meera is supposed to come because she agreed and she wanted to
Ah,
come.
ah.
But so far she's not here. In fact, I was, and now she's here. I can hear the door closing. So just wait
Okay, okay. Yeah. Definitely we'll wait. Even I
seconds.
think Bhuma Ben is also,
Abhuma is
she
not
may also,
also here.
yeah, she may also come. That's true.
Well, sorry, I made you change your mind.
No. It's good, na. So you have given me initiative. You have taken initiative and you will be inspired.
Yeah, because you just have to start. Then you get more confidence also
Yeah.
in yourself. And irritated start because nobody
Yeah.
it's
So
always first time for
inspiration
everyone.
source, inspiration source
Yes.
is from you, from such a long distance.
We meet each other. It's a good pastime also for everyone.
Yes, that's true.
Neera comes.
And Meera is here.
Hi, Neera.
For accepting.
Actually, till 5:30 I have my class, so I won't be able to prepare like PPT. If it is possible for me to get PPT, then it will be much more better for you to understand. But I don't have that much time.
Okay.
So,
Well, then
and
after the time is over, we'll meditate on what you.
no, it's just Shanti mantra. Generally, we used to recite after our session. And ભદ્રામાસી સવારની પેલી ટોક બહુ સરસ હતી મેં તમને કહ્યું મને YouTube લિંક આવશે ને તો હું મોકલાવીશ.
શું વસ્તુ? Subsidy.
Veda and the mathematics, connection between Vedas and mathematics.
Yeah.
ભુવનેશભાઈ તમને પણ પસંદ આવશે.
Mhm.
Talk between Vedas and mathematics. V Rajgopalan, geophysicist છે. He is a geophysicist and Australia ma છે. So right now he is doing research between connection between Vedas and mathematics.
Very interesting. It will be interesting for Neil also.
But the thing is he used to explain in Hindi, English, in both ways. So maybe, so if I will get the YouTube link, definitely I will send you. Or rather, I will put it on the group.
Fantastic.
Whoever will understand or who.
Yeah. Put it on the group also.
I'll put it on the group.
It will be fine so that Neil and also children can.
Yes, and that talk lasts till like it starts at 11:30 and lasts till 3 o'clock. Then immediately 4 o'clock my session starts. So it ends at 6 o'clock. अरे भुवनेश भाई केतन ने अलाउड करो, मारा पति देव ने अलाउड करो भाई.
હા ભૈયા એને તો કરવા જ પડે.
Most welcome.
આજે તું બોલવાની છો એટલે આવ્યો, બાકી નહોતો આવવાનો.
No, time is the factor. Time is also changed. Oh, that's sweet.
Welcome, Ketan. Welcome.
Bhunesh is not allowing me inside.
Aliens are not allowed.
Angry because you are not coming.
I just 5 minutes and I was here. I just saw the way you guys were chatting. Before I set on my plan and my other things, I'll just say hi, hello to everyone.
Ketan, we are taking only 30-40 minutes, not more than that.
I know.
Yeah.
It's actually
it's
he
a
also
good
insisted
pastime.
me. Yeah,
It's a
he
good
also
pastime
insisted
for
me.
everyone.
He also insisted me and forced me to do this thing. Go.
Otherwise, I
told
would
me-
Jalpa, whatever you try to
No.
save it, you cannot.
Ketan told me that he's too young for this meeting. His age is still not reached in that level, so he's not attending this Bhaj Govindam.
This is not Bhaj Govindam.
So that's why today you are here.
Today
Great.
he's here because Jalpa is there, and Jalpa is here because she
Because Ketan is there.
I
yeah,
had to
because
do-
Ketan insisted.
I had to push little and I had to do little moral boosting. I had to
Yeah.
help her in getting her everything organized little bit, just a 5%.
Yeah, and she believes in Pati Devo Bhava.
I don't want anyone to believe into that. So, Meera, hi, how are you?
Hi, Ketan, and you?
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now little.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay,
From
I'm
here.
here. Fine,
So, how is
fine,
everything?
fine. Everything is fine. Neil is coming back today, this evening.
Yeah, I read that from Madramasi.
Ah.
That's great.
Yeah, good you convinced Jalpa.
Thank you.
Yes.
Kachi is here. How are
Yes.
you, Kachi?
It was very much needed.
Yes.
It was very much needed. Just a minute, I'll attend. Somebody has come.
Okay.
You guys carry on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
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 Yeah, I'll do. I'll.
Kachi, hello.
Hi, Badramasi. Hi, Neera.
Bye, Kanchi.
Okay, Jalpa, we can start. I think
Thought I was
everybody
late,
is
Yeah.
here.
but
Yeah.
Good.
Time is, yeah. So in today's session, we will discuss about little bit Shanti Mantra only. So it's a Shanti Mantra which includes in the Hindu prayers for peace found in the universe, and the Shanti Mantra you will found in the Upanishads. Generally, it is recited in the beginning and end of the religious rituals or discourses. So first I will recite the mantra, then I will recite it in English version, then we will discuss about it. So I will just recite the mantras. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So this mantra says we may all become happy, may all be healthy, that is free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, and may no one suffer in any way. So in these mantras it suggests like everyone should be happy. Now this is a peace mantra or for the well-being of the universe. So why peace mantra? Why in our Upanishads they have mentioned it as a peace mantra? Because peace helps us concentrate on our problems. So easily we can solve it, or in a better way, in a much proper way we can solve it. So, and what do you mean by peace? No sound, no noise, or no in between disturbance, whatever you do your work. Is it like that? Is it like that?
Yes, also.
No, mentally peace.
Mentally peace. Other than this thing,
Unruffled. Not disturbed by your thoughts.
then
Silence in
related-
a heart. Silence in a heart. So it's like a speechless, the thoughtless.
yes, yes. So it
Shanti.
differs from person to person, right? Peace
Yeah.
is differ from person to person. Someone can work in with surrounding so many noise also. because of his concentration, his or her mind concentration. Or some person or can't work because of surrounding atmosphere, so much noise or so much disturbances are there. So it will be differ from person to person. Peace is differ from person to person, or as well as surrounding situation also. If someone is getting disturbed, you see some people wants a surrounding atmosphere very peace, then and then only he or she can concentrate in studies, his or studies, or whatever he wants to do work. While some people can work during within so much noise also, because he has closed his mind within the surrounding. He has opened his mind window inside him or her. So that will be the peace according to, as per my thinking or as per my knowledge. I am not sure. So this peace mantra is especially for the well-being, or for the uh, it is sung for the universe. It is not for the individual or for the self. The peace mantra is for the whole universe. We used to sing this peace mantra. So the first stanza is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve means all or everyone. Bhavantu it is originated from Bhu Bhavatu, that is Bhavantu, that is to be. Bhu is to be. So sub, that is like may all become this. Sarve is all. Bhavantu is become. Sukhinaha is be happy or be happy. Now happy is what? Happiness is what?
Contentment.
It also changes person to person. To be happy in
That's
what way?
contentment then.
One thing can make me happy, but not to my daughter probably.
So it is like we can say that it is our emotions to provide inner contentment, our emotions to show some happiness from our inner side, inner mind, or inner thinking, or inner heart. Or being happy can help person to achieve his or her goal, or his her or her achievement in the life.
Good,
If
yes.
person is being happy, yes. So happiness provides a person the strength, positivity needed to use his or her capability at the fullest level, isn't it? If you are happy, definitely your work will be complete in a very well manner way, or in a very finished way, or in a, you can say, if you are doing some complicated work and if your mind is very happy, then you can finish your work in a sometimes in very quick way, if your mind is at peace, then you will be happy, so you will be very easily you can complete your work, isn't it?
You can make happy others as well.
As well, yes. If you do your work in a proper way, so you fulfill your goal as well as others goals also.
Mm.
If someone demands your work and you fulfill in such a good way, so others will be happy. That's true. So happiness is an emotion that provides inner contentment, and happiness is to be happy. It's a healthy enough to make work as a pleasure. If you make your work as a pleasure, then also you will be happy, and the more you happy, the more you can work. So, and it is wealthy enough to support your needs, or what you can say, the happier you are, the more longer you live, isn't it?
Sure.
Sure.
It will also affect your health.
Yeah, that's true. Mm,
So,
That's very true. Mm.
so the more you will be happy, so definitely your health will be good. All
Yeah.
your yeah, your more positive vibes in your body, so it will help you to maintain your always, like physical, mental, both ways, it will help
Yes.
the more you are happy. So the first line is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, may all become happy. As I said earlier, this prayer is for the whole universe. It is not for the individual person.
Hmm.
So Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. So may all be happy. So if everyone is happy, then no one is suffer from what we can say like jealousy or unhappiness
Hmm.
or unhealthiness. If everyone is happy, so naturally the productivity of the work will be good. So
Hmm.
everyone's life standard or whatever the way they see at the life is totally different if person is happy.
Hmm.
Everyone is. Then second line is Sarve Santu Niramayaha. Sarve is again for all or everyone. Santu is again to be. See, there are two different words in Sanskrit. Bhavantu is also to be. Santu is also to be.
It's 8 o'clock.
So, Sarve Santu Niramayaha. That is, may all be Niramayaha. Niramayaha is away from the disease, away from the illness. Like Amayaha. Amayaha is a disease. Amayaha is a Sanskrit word. It's again meaning is disease. And Niramayaha, that is Nir Amayaha. Nir is to away, to get away from the diseases. So that is Niramayaha, those away from the disease or those people who are free from the diseases. And Niramayaha is Nirgataha Amayaha Yebhyaha te Niramayaha. That is, if person is away from the disease, definitely he will be happy. Definitely he will be very peace at mind. Definitely his or her productive work will be better. Then he or she doesn't have to work. He or doesn't have to think much more about his health, and he will more what you can say production work like what you can say lifestyle will be definitely good. So state of complete physical his or her state of complete physical, mental or social well-being is very good. So free from the illness and what you can say his choice or work of activities or field of activities, um, physical vitality, everything will be in very good position. So he can fulfill all his social satisfaction as well as social responsibilities, and he may feel sense of accomplishment or you can say his personal fulfillment as well as society's fulfillments. He will be able to do all these works in a very positive way, and definitely with good health person may have a positive thinking, so it affects his life as well as the people surrounding him. They also feel good vibes, so that will help in everyone's life to do something good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Am I going am I saying right or
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
right,
yes.
right, right. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Nicely explained. Very nicely made
Yeah.
it.
So first is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. That is, may all become happy. Second is Sarve Santu Niramayaha. So may all be healthy. That is free from illness. Third is Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Sarve is again all everyone. Bhadrani is a Bhadra. Bhadra is a word which indicates dignified person, very gracious person, or very you can say very decent person, or person with good behavior, or you can say Bhadra is like soft person which very good personality. And Bhadrani is again for all. Bhadrani is Bahuvachan. Plural form of Bhadra, that is Bhadrani. That is for all. So Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Pashyantu is again to see or to see some good things, see some auspicious things in everyone, human as well as from you can say that from the humans, from animals, like from human world, from animal world also. You can say very good things, very positive things from the human as well as from animals. From animals also you can learn, like they can have a very good adjustability power. As the surrounding environment is changed, the animals can adopt good life, uh, you can say, life adaptation. Animals can very well accepted life adaptation. So Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu is may all see what is auspicious, what is good thing in everyone. Don't try to find out the negativity from other person or in anyone. Better to look at the good point. Think positive. We can say like think positive. So that is Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Now auspicious, and what is auspicious or what is auspiciousness?
The auspiciousness, the good thoughts, good vibes, good moments, or positive moments.
Hmm? Good. Near to the point. I can say very good, near to the point. So yes, auspiciousness is a situation that is positive, or yes, you can say indicative of good things to come for
Mm.
everyone, or for any, like everyone in the world who has suffered or who will be suffering from the illness or some whatever problems are there, so they may get rid of easily from that problems or from the illness. So in that way we are going to pray to the god like Sarve Bhadrani Pashantu. So may all see what is auspicious, may all be free from the illness, or may all be free from the negativity in their life. That is way. And the fourth line is Ma Kaschit Dukh Bhag Bhavet. May, Ma is again may no. Ma stands for no. Ma indicates uh, no one. Yes, custody is no one. Dukha bhag bhavet. That is uh, whatever suffering is in there in your life, that will go away. Bhag bhavet, that is go away. So may no one suffer in any way. Ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet. May no one suffer in any way. So now, like no one suffer in any way is what?
So no one's supposed to be psychological also unhappy. No one physically supposed to be unhappy, or no material world also no unhappy.
Yes.
Fulfillment of all wishes.
Can differ from person to
Yeah.
person, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is like, so fulfillment is again like my perspective of vision is different, yours is different, other one is, everyone has different perspective for looking. But this prayer indicates for all, not for individual. Like I am not praying for this prayer, I am not chanting from myself, or you are not chanting from yourself, because the meaning in the word itself indicates survey, that is for all, for everyone, for the universe.
Mm.
So in our Upanishads, so many prayers are there. So that is for the whole universe.
Mm.
So our Upanishads or Vedas indicates prayers for the whole universe. It doesn't a center what you can say for the person, individual person. So that is the great part of our Vedas, and it's a very good thing for our Vedas. He, they think for the whole universe. It is not a human center prayer, individual center prayer. So the this is the prayer is also applicable for the humans as well as for animals also, like birds also. And adaptability, you can say like what you can say. Now birds, initially we used to see like mostly all birds will live in the forest. Nowadays when especially in India, the birds lives in the cities, so they have adapted so many different things, like from their residence to their nest formation, their food habits,
Mm.
the way they live with each others, like, so their adaptability is there. So that way, if you develop all these things, because your state of mind is also different, you will be easily unable to get the peace of mind, and definitely your positive way of thinking is developed in you. So it will help you to adjust in new environment, as well as the way you look at the world is totally different. So at the last, I can say, like, this prayer is for everyone, and it is good for the health. It generates positivity in your mind, the positivity in your mind, so it will help you to positivity in your health,
Mm.
positivity in your body, the positivity you will get in your work too, so that will encourage your lifestyle, encourage your the way of living, helps to improve your personality, helps to improve your surrounding circle, surrounding atmosphere. It inspires other people also. Acha, if he or she is doing in that way, or he or she is doing or thinking in that way, why can't I?
Mm.
So it inspires others also to think or do work in that way. And so this prayer is not like selfish kind of prayer. So you are praying for everyone, because it includes survey. Survey means all. Survey is it is what you can say. Yeah, survey. That's it. Today I yeah,
Yes, good, good, very good.
Nice, very nice. Really, very
because
glad you made it.
I
Compliment.
prepared this thing only within 30 minutes. I don't have much time, so
I know you are too busy with
especially
the
for today.
household.
Today,
With
yeah, today I was much busy, but Bhadramasi Bhadramasi was the inspiration, and then Ketan pushed me a little bit. You can do it, yes.
no, it was
Yeah,
a nice
I was
reaction.
sure that Ketan will push you. So I put it on Rishikesh.
Uh,
And I was sure that
yeah.
it will be, as
So,
I say.
lastly, we can chant together if you people are ready to chant it, the
Yeah,
shloka again.
yeah,
And because it is a universal welfare prayer, so it will definitely help
everything.
spread good positive vibes around us.
Yeah.
So that will definitely help us. Uh,
Yeah,
So we
because
will,
our
yeah,
intention, Jalpa, is to have spiritual conversation every Saturday.
yes,
So
That's
it
nice.
doesn't matter, that
yeah,
everybody understand that you are new, and we all
yeah,
knew little bit
yeah.
of spiritual
No, but
conversation. So
if anything you want to suggest or you want to say, you can say, like,
yes,
if
next time we
anything
will
is, yeah.
suggest you
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. No,
And
no.
I
Next
think,
time I will try to get ready one or two shlokas. I will
yes,
keep
yeah,
ready
that will
from
be
myself.
fine.
Yeah, from
Yeah,
myself.
that would be
So
nice.
whenever such lag period is there, I will replace this again.
Yes, just not to
Yeah.
interrupt our.
Yeah. 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 Definitely. So I have selected some shlokas, so we can explain in that
Very
way.
good, very good.
So
Thanks for
yeah, no,
intervening.
not thanks.
Thank
So
thank you,
yeah.
Jalpa.
So again, at last, this prayer is generally we used to sing in the beginning as well as in the last of our discourse. So again, I will like to change this prayer again.
Mm.
So I hope you all will join it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes. No,
Uh,
it was very good, and at least we had this
Meeting
30
for this.
minutes time passed well.
Very nice.
Okay. Okay. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you once again. Thank
Namo
you.
Namah Sarvebhyo. Namo
It was so
Namah.
nice. It's,
Thanks, Jalpa, and thanks, Bhunesh, as well. And
Well,
thank you.
thanks, everybody.
Thank you, Bhunesh bhai.
It was nice. I love this Saturday meeting. Now I'm becoming slowly addict of the Saturday meeting.